Hello, my name is Oliver, and I am your teacher and friend. And I want to welcome you to Hello, my little kitties.
We are the kitties that learn the words we have heard. Our minds are right, our eyes are bright. We are smart, we are ready to start our lesson. So let's get it, let's get it, let's get in our minds. We are smart, we are brave, we are beautiful in every way. So let's start today.
Hello, my little kitties. We're at another show of Word-Wall Words. I'm excited about this show. That means we have learned a very long list of words so far. It's a great accomplishment. You are a word superhero. Okay, let's begin our word-wall list together. Make. M-A-K-E. Male. M-A-I-L. Made. M-A-D-E. Many. M-A-N-Y. More. M-O-R-E. Not. N-O-T. Name. N-A-M-E. New. N-E-W. Nice. N-I-C-E. Hour. O-U-R. Or. O-R. Other. O-T-H-E-R. One. O-N-E. Off. O-F-F. It has been a fantastic journey as we have learned many new things together. I hope the last 5 episodes of learning our word-wall list has been a great experience for you. I learned some things too, so we have learned it together. Remember, we are all one big happy learning family. I hope you have the best day possible, my little kitties. Now go and be great. Bye-bye. That's our show for today. Now go out and do something nice for someone else. Have a nice day, my little kitties.